Hey there, I'm Stan. I'm a top-rated SEO consultant with over 10 years of hands-on, proven SEO experience and more than 70 clients on Upwork alone. I've worked with SaaS, e-commerce, and local service websites, so regardless of your platform, industry, or location, I know how to drive meaningful results for your business. My approach to SEO is simple. I do honest, ROI-driven SEO. That means that if I don't think that SEO is likely to get you the results that you expect, I will tell you upfront without leading you on and making you waste your money on a channel that's unlikely to bring you leads. I use a premium stack of SEO and analytics tools to analyze your website, your competitors' websites, and your industry as a whole. Working with me, you can rest assured that I've spent the time needed to understand the services or products you offer. My focus is growing your business revenue, not vanity metrics. I offer modern, white hat, and AI-friendly optimization. No sketchy backlinks, no sketchy mentions, only real tactics that help improve your brand and grow your visibility. I help brands get visibility not only on Google, but also inside tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, AI overviews, and AI mode on Google. If you want to grow your visibility on organic search and AI tools, let's talk.